Hello future officers, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn important current affairs in MCQ and explanation form, specially for UPPCS students and other competitive exams which are going to be conducted in few days. ये वीडियो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा क्योंकि इसको बहुत कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बनाया है और श्योरली यू विल गेट 7-8 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ईच टॉपिक्स। आपको बस ये वीडियो लास्ट तक पूरे फोकस के साथ देख लेना है। जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स। We have covered awards, ranking, national news, science, defense questions, international news and many more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the next part of this important video. Let's start. On the eve of the 76th Republic Day, how many Padma Awards were conferred? 76वें गणतंत्र दिवस की पूर्व संध्या पर कितने पद्म पुरस्कार प्रदान किए गए? Option B is correct. Total 139 Padma Awards were given this year. It includes 7 Padma Vibhushan, 19 Padma Bhushan and 113 Padma Shri Awards. Out of these, 23 were given to women and 13 to posthumous, means people who are not alive now. Second question on your screen, now. किस क्षेत्र में पद्म विभूषण नहीं दिया गया? In which field Padma Vibhushan was not given? Sports is the correct answer. In sports category, no Padma Vibhushan was given. Padma Vibhushan medicine, public affairs, literature, art, trade and industry में दिए गए हैं. Who among the following got Padma Vibhushan in the literature? निम्नलिखित में से किसे साहित्य में पद्म विभूषण मिला? Shri M.T. Vasudev Nair is the correct answer. He was an Indian author, lecturer, screenplay writer and film director. He directed 7 films and wrote the screenplay for around 54 films. He won the National Film Award for Best Screenplay 4 times. Now, question 4th. Shri M.T. Vasudev Nair was from which state, who got Padma Vibhushan in the field of literature? Shri M.T. Vasudev Nair किस राज्य से थे जिन्हें साहित्य के क्षेत्र में पद्म विभूषण मिला? Shri M.T. Vasudev Nair was from Kerala. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस रीसेंट एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स टू। नाउ क्वेश्चन 5। ये क्वेश्चन IB/ACIO में जो अभी कंडक्ट हुआ है उसमें पूछा गया था। कुमुदिनी रजनीकांत लखिया इज फ्रॉम विच स्टेट हु गॉट पद्मा विभूषण इन द फील्ड ऑफ आर्ट? गुजरात इज द राइट आंसर। उनकी कुछ सबसे प्रसिद्ध कोरियोग्राफियों में धबकर, पल्स, युगल, द डुएट और अताह किम वेनौ शामिल हैं, जिन्हें उन्होंने 1980 में दिल्ली में वार्षिक कथक महोत्सव में प्रस्तुत किया था। वो गोपी कृष्ण के साथ हिंदी फिल्म उमराव जान 1981 में भी कोरियोग्राफर थी। इन्हें पद्मा भूषण एंड पद्माश्री ऑलरेडी मिला हुआ है। नाउ क्वेश्चन 6। इनमें से किसको मेडिसिन फील्ड में पद्मा विभूषण मिला है? श्री दुव्वूर नागेश्वर रेड्डी इज द राइट आंसर। दुव्वूर नागेश्वर रेड्डी एक भारतीय गैस्ट्रोएंटेरोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो हैदराबाद स्थित दुनिया के सबसे बड़े गैस्ट्रोएंटेरोलॉजी अस्पताल एशियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ गैस्ट्रोएंटेरोलॉजी के फाउंडर और चेयरमैन हैं। वे तीनों पद्म अवार्ड्स रिसीव करने वाले पहले भारतीय डॉक्टर हैं। ये भी वन लाइनर क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन 7। दुव्वूर नागेश्वर रेड्डी कौन से स्टेट से है जिन्हें मेडिसिन में पद्मा विभूषण मिला है? ट्रस्ट मी, जब आप एक टॉपिक के हर एक क्वेश्चन को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कवर कर लेंगे तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस एग्जाम में अलग लेवल पर होगा। एंड कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस, नॉट गेटिंग एंग्शियस एंड स्ट्रेस्ड इन द हॉल। सो यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट, डोंट गिव अप। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स डू कमेंट और कनेक्ट विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। ही इज फ्रॉम तेलंगाना। नाउ क्वेश्चन 8। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गॉट पद्मा विभूषण इन द फील्ड ऑफ आर्ट फ्रॉम बिहार? श्रीमती शारदा सिन्हा फ्रॉम बिहार। ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर। बिहार से ताल्लुक रखने वाली सिन्हा मुख्यतः मैथिली और भोजपुरी भाषा में गाती थी और उन्हें बिहार कोकिला यानी बिहार की कोयल कहा जाता है। सिन्हा ने विवाह गीत, छठ गीत सहित कई लोकगीत गाए हैं। 1991 में उन्हें संगीत में उनके योगदान के लिए पद्मश्री पुरस्कार मिला। 2000 में उन्हें संगीत के क्षेत्र में उनके योगदान के लिए संगीत नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला। उन्हें 2018 में गणतंत्र दिवस पर भारत के तीसरे सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया गया। सिन्हा को पॉस्ट्यूमसली 2025 में रिपब्लिक डे पर भारत के दूसरे सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार पद्म विभूषण से सम्मानित किया गया। नाउ फॉर व्हाट जस्टिस श्री जगदीश सिंह खेहर गॉट Padma Vibhushan Award? He got award in field of public affairs, hence option B is the right answer. Jagdish Singh Khehar is an Indian jurist who served as the 44th Chief Justice of India. He was the first Sikh Chief Justice of India. His notable contributions are in important judgments like Right to Privacy Verdict, Triple Talaq, 2G Spectrum Case and many more. Jagdish Singh Khehar is from which state? He is from the city of Beauty, Chandigarh, hence option B is the right answer. This city was planned by French architect Le Corbusier. Shri Lakshminarayan Subramaniam is from which state, who got Padma Award in Arts? Karnataka is the right option. He got Padma Vibhushan in Arts. He is an Indian violinist, composer and conductor, trained in the classical Carnatic music tradition and Western classical music. Next question. Shri Osamu Suzuki got Padma Vibhushan in which field, and is from which country? इन्हें पद्मा विभूषण ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री में मिला है और यह जापान के है। इन्हें यह अवार्ड पॉस्ट्यूमसली दिया गया है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट पद्मा विभूषण अवार्ड्स 2025. First, there is total 7 Padma Vibhushan award given this year. Second, total 3 posthumous Padma Vibhushan were given. Third, Shri Duvur Nageshwar Reddy got Padma Vibhushan in the field of public affairs. Now choose the right option. Only option 1 and 2 are right. Shri Duvur Nageshwar Reddy got Padma Vibhushan in the field of medicine and not in public affairs, hence option 3rd was wrong, and remember he is from Telangana. Consider the following statements about Padma Award 2025. First, there is 23 Padma Bhushan awardee this year. Second, Kumudini Rajnikant Lakhia is from Karnataka, who got Padma Vibhushan in the field of art. Third, total 129 Padma awards were given this year. Option 4th, Sharda Sinha is the only person from Bihar who got Padma Award in 2025. Now you have to choose the correct options. None of the above statements are right. C. Total 19 Padma Bhushan is given this year, not 23, and 7 Padma Vibhushan and 113 Padma Shri, hence total 139 Padma awards. Now, second, Kumudini Rajnikant Lakhia is from Gujarat, not Karnataka. Third, already told. Fourth, not only Sharda Simha, but Shri Sushil Kumar Modi got Padma Bhushan in public affairs from Bihar. Now next question. Shri Manohar Joshi is from which state, who got Padma Bhushan in public affairs? He was from Maharashtra, who served as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra from 1995 to 1999, and was Speaker of the Lok Sabha from 2002 to 2004. Now, who got Padma Bhushan in sports from Kerala? Shri P.R. Srijesh is the right answer. He is regarded as one of the best goalkeeper in hockey. Parattu Ravindran Srijesh, born the 8th of May 1988, is an Indian field hockey coach and former player. He was the captain of the national team and played as a goalkeeper. Shri A. Surya Prakash got Padma Bhushan in which field? He got Padma Bhushan in the field of journalism. Surya Prakash is an Indian journalist and author, best known for serving as the chairperson of Prasar Bharati, India's public service broadcaster, and as the author of several books on Indian politics and parliamentary democracy. Shri A. Surya Prakash is from which state? He is from Karnataka, hence option A is right. Now next question. नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से बिहार में किसको पद्मा भूषण मिला है? श्री सुशील कुमार मोदी को बिहार में पद्मा भूषण मिला है। नाउ हमने देखा था मेडिसिन में पद्मा विभूषण श्री दूवुर नागेश्वर रेड्डी को मिला था। अब बताइए मेडिसिन एम पद्मा भूषण किसे मिला है? श्री होजे चचको पेरियापुरम is the right answer. He is an Indian cardiac surgeon and medical writer who performed the first successful heart transplant in the state of Kerala, India, as well as the first successful heart retransplant in the country. Shri Jose Chachko Periyapuram is from which state? Shri Jose Chachko Periyapuram is from Kerala. Shri Pankaj Udhas, posthumous, and Shri Shekhar Kapur is from which state who got Padma Bhushan in the field of art? They are from Maharashtra. Shri Ram Bahadur Rai is from which state who got Padma Bhushan in journalism? He is from Uttar Pradesh. Sadhvi Ritambara from Uttar Pradesh got Padma Bhushan in which field? She got Padma Bhushan in social work. Who got Padma Bhushan in science and engineering from United States of America? Shri Vinod Dham got Padma Bhushan in science and engineering from United States of America. Who got Padma Shri in arts from West Bengal? Shri Arjit Singh got Padma Shri in arts from West Bengal. Sports में किसको Padma Shri मिला है? Shri R. Ashwin is the right answer. Shri Ashutosh Sharma who got Padma Shri in science and engineering is from which state? Uttar Pradesh is the right answer. Shri Chandrakant Sompura who got Padma Shri in architecture is from which state? Gujarat is the right answer. Here is the summary list of recipients in Padma Awards. You can take screenshot for last minute revision. 19 Padma Bhushan recipient list is given here. Now we will say national and international awards. Who among the following got 59th Jnanpith Award 2023? Vinod Kumar Shukla has got the 59th Jnanpith Award. In 2024, he became the first person from Chhattisgarh to receive the Jnanpith Award. His works include the novels Naukar Ki Kameez, which has been made into the film of the same name by Mani Kaul, and Diwar Mein Ek Khidki Rehti Thi, A Window Lived in a Wall, which won the Sahitya Akademi Award for the best Hindi work in 1999. Who among the following got Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025? Ram Sutar has got Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025. He is an Indian sculptor. He designed the Statue of Unity, which is the world's tallest statue. Who became most awarded film at 25th IIFA Awards 2025? Lapata Ladies is the right answer. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Dogri literature? Late Chaman Arora got the Sahitya Akademi Award for Dogri literature. For which story collection did he got this award? He got it for Ek Aur Ashwathama. Consider the following about Sahitya Akademi Award for Dogri literature. First, the award is given posthumously to Chaman Arora. Second, Dogri is one of the 22 languages in 8th schedule given in the Indian Constitution. Choose the correct options. Make it happen because your dreams are waiting. Don't lose focus. For now you just have to trust the process, revising all the basic subjects, important current affairs, and don't do silly mistakes. Have confidence and that will eventually make you win. Both options 1 and 2 are correct. Now, next question. National Dhanvantari Ayurveda Award 2025 were conferred by? It was conferred by Ministry of Ayush. You can learn all facts and information by making mnemonics and connecting it to real-life examples. It will help you to recall better in your exams. Who won Miss Charm India 2024? Out of the given options, none are correct because Shivangi Desai from Pune has won the title Miss Charm India 2024. And Miss Charm India 2025 winner is Mehak Dhingra from Delhi. Who got Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2024, India's highest film honor? Mithun Chakrabarti is the right answer. In 2025, Dada Saheb Phalke Award is won by Mohanlal. First recipient of this award was Devaka Rani. Best Feature Film Award at 70th National Award 2022 gone to? The right answer is Kutch Express. It has been asked in recent Bihar PCS exam. Now next question. Who got Best Actor in Leading Role for the movie Kantara? Rishabh Shetty is the right answer. Who won Best Hindi Film Award at 70th National Award? Film Gulmohar has won Best Hindi Film Award at 70th National Film Awards 2022. Best Magician Creator 2025 Award, won by which magician? Suhani Shah is the first Indian magician to win this award. Consider the following about Food Planet Prize 2025. It is the world's largest environmental award. A sum of $2 million is awarded in this. And Green Fertilizer Nitro Captain got Food Planet Prize. Choose the correct options. All the options are right. Who won Miss World title 2025? Opal Sucheta Changri has won the title Miss World 2025. Name of the film which got title Best Film at 97th Academy Awards 2025? Anora is the right answer. Read more here. Consider the following about Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2024. It was given to 4 sportsperson. D. Gukesh got in chess, whereas Praveen Kumar in para athletics, and Manu Bahakar didn't got this award. Option 3 is wrong, because Manu Bhakar also got Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. Option 1 and 2 only are correct. Who got Arjuna Award 2024 in chess? It's Vantika Agrawal. Consider the following about Arjuna Lifetime Award 2024. Only 2 awards given this year. Sacha Singh in athletics, whereas Muralikant Rajaram Peetkar in para swimmer got this award. Choose the correct options. Both given options are right. Who got Dronacharya Award in hockey? Sandeep Sangwan is the right answer. Who has become India's 88th Grandmaster? Divya Deshmukh, 4th Indian woman to become a Grandmaster. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो बताइए and subscribe for part 2. Good response will motivate us to bring next part.